What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's a special one. Why? Because I'm finally, by the title of the video, getting brand new tires and mags for my BMW. And this is especially important for me and memorable, and I want to document it and put on YouTube and all that shit to share with you guys, because it's gonna be my first set that I actually buy for myself. And I'm kind of going baller, and for my budget, I'm going all out. I got some good deals. I've been shopping around, and I just can't wait to finally have something new, because well, my other one's cracked. So yeah. Anyways, let me just show you guys what I've been driving for the past, I don't know, week or two. Well, this is how the car's been looking for a week or two. I had to been running my winter tire. These piece of shit's cracked. So basically what's going on today is I'm gonna be driving the Vagina Mobile, aka my girlfriend's car. There's just one thing that I can't do, and it's talk in public when people are just staring at you. It makes my life so awkward. Alright, dum dum dum, the ultimate Vagina Mobile. Thank you, Maria, for the car. I'm gonna be stealing it today. A whopping 100 horsepower. 4 cylinders, fuel economy at its finest. Oh my god, I feel like a little bitch. I'm not used to this. Okay. Basically today I'm gonna be going to Quattro Tires. I've been in contact with them, with this girl Victoria. She's been helping me immensely throughout the whole process. She got me the good tires, so if you need tires and you're in the Montreal area, definitely go check them out. They're awesome. They price match, their customer service is amazing, and if you need Victoria, ask for her, because she is queen at this shit. And I'm also getting my mags from Grand Prix Imports. Let's go pick up the tires up back at my house. Well, that makes no sense to you guys, but to me, my girlfriend lives right behind me, so yeah. Alright. One thing I forgot to mention is that I already got tires, except, well, now they're too big, because now BMW doesn't make 9.5 anymore, so I can't run 275, and I can't run a 40 on a 19-inch mag. I could only run a 35, and that's the biggest I can go. If I was 18, I could run 40, 17, 45. I'm talking about sidewall. But yeah, let me just load all this back up, and let's finally hit the road. Alright, all loaded up. Now we're on our way to Laval, to Quattro Tires, or Pneus Rabais. Back is loaded up, thank God. We have a hatchback in the family that I can use, or else not much was fitting inside that coupe. It was gonna be very tight and very impossible. So thank you, Mary, again. You're great. You're the best assistant a guy could have, especially on YouTube, because your boy needs some help here, mentally and just in general. I need help. We're finally here. That's my Vagina Mobile. I'm gonna switch the tires between, because what I'm doing is I bought the wrong tires, like I said before, but I'm doing an exchange, and I'm buying, fuck, I keep forgetting it, Federal tires, or Firehawk, the really nice, good grip, meaty tires for the back. I'm gonna keep like Minervas in the front. I'm just gonna park real quick. I really hope no one's behind. I can't see a fucking thing. We're gonna go inside. I'm gonna meet Victoria, and then we're just gonna switch out the tires with the new ones. Yeah, that's it. Okay, finally. I'll see you soon. Ciao. These are some fucking meats, bro. Look at this. Look at it. I don't know how well you guys can see, but holy mother of God, that is beautiful. Firehawk Indy 500s. Bro, we're balling on a budget, bro. I gotta go home now and pick up the Minervas that I was gonna put in the front, and the 245 3519s, the max you could run on an 8-inch tire, mag, whatever. And then once I get all the tires, I'm gonna head to the mag shop, Grand Prix Imports Auto, whatever the fuck it's called. They'll have the tires mounted on the mags, they'll have it balanced, and then we'll get home and install them on my car myself. And I'll show you guys the whole thing. I'll wash the car, we'll do a big reveal. Wow! How much this means to me. So ever since I've owned a car, before it was Betsy, the tires that came on it is actually what I kept. After having sold the car, I kept those tires, and it's the ones that were on my 335 now, except they cracked like 3 times, and I'm just fed up of repairing them. I even made a video about them, how to replace them. I tried to do it with JP Well. If you want to watch it, it's right up here, but it didn't work. So finally, I'm buying myself my first set of tires, and my first set of like fresh out of the box, crisp mags. And like, this is a big deal for me particularly because, well, it's my first set, and I'm super pumped. Like, I don't know how the fuck I never owned a pair, but it's okay, it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna floor it and see what this thing's got. I didn't move. Oh my god, that was hilarious. But it's okay because it's fuel efficient, and I look like a vagina driving it. I love you, Mary. You have to listen to gay music from the radio when you're in a gay car, looking gay. Okay, got the whole car loaded up with all 4 tires. I'm gonna head straight to Grand Prix Auto, and we're gonna mount my tires finally. Tires are finally done. I'm gonna back up and I'm gonna put them in the trunk. We're gonna head home and install them, and you guys will finally be able to first see them on the car and everything. And I'll tell you all the specs and all that shit when we get home.
Can't understand it,
but
why I it, I'd rather just live it. Yeah. Pray for better tomorrows. Pray for better tomorrows. I'm praying for better days, cause it gotta be more to this. Shit, it gotta be something.
Oh my god, we're back home. Yeah, I'm so excited to finally mount these tires. I can't wait to be done with this problem. Can't wait to just install these new ones, man. You guys are gonna like this. I promise.
Free from all the world stress. Need to start drinking less, cause when I'm sipping, get to reminiscing.
I'm gonna start by unwrapping this one and installing it on the car, comparing it to my, well, not originals, but the ones that were on the car. You guys only get to see the back first. Oh, that's gonna look halfway. Alright, that's enough pieces for you guys. Here we go, baby. My new wheel setup. That looks amazing. Literally looks amazing. Dude, these fucking Firestones are so grippy that I just had to move the car a couple feet front and then back just so that like the suspension would settle properly. and I heard it grabbing onto everything. Dude, the fitment, just look at this. 2 fingers. I'm on stock suspension, 9 in the rear, 265, 35, 19. These Firestones fill up my back tire well, like amazing. Front as well too. There's about 3 fingers maybe. Oh, it's crazy. These look like slicks, like semi-slicks. These things are crazy. All that's missing now, since you can see like straight in the tire now, because everything's black, so it brings out more the rotor. It also brings out this brake pad. This one's not that bad, but the front one is like right in your face. So I was thinking maybe we should paint these calipers a certain color. Drop in the comment section down below, or I'm gonna have even a poll. I'm gonna have both. Tell me what colors you want to see on my black car here. So this is the tire and wheel reveal, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a pretty lengthy video, but I had fun doing it. I just can't stop looking at that ass. They're so gorgeous. These tires are beautiful. I'm in love. Now let's go see what Mary thinks. When you come out, keep your head down. Look at the floor, don't look at the car. I want to get your reaction, okay? I need to get it on camera. Because it has to, it's the most honest you'll be, okay? You're under, yes, you have a lot of pressure. Okay, good. Keep your head down, put your head down. Put your head down. Put your oh, just keep walking straight. Yeah? You like them?
I love them.
Awesome. Okay.
Such a good choice.
Why are we still on the phone? Bye. Yeah, it's okay.
I love it.
Sick, huh? Yeah, I put them.
I love them.
So consensus?
I love them.
Yeah?
I'm really happy.
Good?
Did you have fun with Lily?
I had fun. Lily's her car, by the way. It's the Vagina Mobile that we were talking about earlier. Yeah. We listened to some sad songs. We listened to the radio. I cried. I was a girl.
I'm so proud.
Anyways, so that's the whole video, guys. That is the tire and wheel big reveal that I was talking about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, because this costed a lot. I'll see you guys next time. Remember to subscribe and to drive what drives you. Peace, guys. Say peace. Bye.
I'm like, fuck it. Yeah. Pray for better tomorrows. Pray for better tomorrows.